Well, hello from me and from him. Because this Christmas, let's see double. Donate to your favourite charity between December the 3rd and the 10th, and with the Christmas challenge from the Big Give, you'll see it doubled. Your £10 becomes 20, give 20, that's 40. 40 makes 80. No, we won't do all the numbers. Oh, plus gift aid, and if you're a taxpayer and would like to tick that box, millions of pounds are ready to match your money. Just say where to send it. Tackle cancer or climate change, help the young or the elderly, build bridges, communities or futures. It's up to you. Your cause, your choice. Do it, donate it, we'll double it. But only while funds last. So good grief, what are you waiting for? Oh, 3rd of December, fair enough. And then, on the double. Get your donation in by noon on December the 10th at thebiggive.org.uk.